What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy C, back with another banger for you. Y'all, we're gonna get right into this today. We're gonna just dive right in. Thanks for everybody that's kicking it with us and diving with our content. Today we're talking about the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Now, that's a pair I know you've seen probably 5011 reviews, you've seen 8,000 pictures, you've seen so many arguments for and against this shoe. I just want to talk to you real quick today. We're going to get right into it. I'm not even breaking down the whole presentation of how and what comes with it. Okay, you got Jordan 11 box. It says thank you in this Jordan 11 lettering. It's called the Gratitude. Nike is thankful that we still rock with them, I guess, right? Thankful for support. Thankful for running our pockets all year long. They put thank you in a million different languages on the tissue paper. And now the shoe, right? Jordan 11. We know what it is. We know what it looks like. All the patent leather, everything. But my question today is not even, let's just talk all about this shoe, right? My question is, do we or do you need the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude? I will say this, right? If you don't have a Jordan 11 Concord in your possession, in your collection, then I say go for this, right? The Air Jordan 11 Concord right now is $400 some odd plus. This retail for $230, which is crazy because I mean 230 is just nuts, but it is what it is. It's the price, right? That's the price is the price, and they've changed up this shoe since the 2006 DMP Jordan 11. You know, everybody knows everybody's talked about how the upper now is leather compared to that mesh that they gave us before. A lot of people are turned off by that. I like it because this mesh does, if it does get dirty, it is white. It's hard to clean. This leather, now boom, you can just wipe it, soap, whatever, get it off, no big deal. The shoe itself, again, it's a Concord with a milky, outsole. I do like it. I like it a lot. It was actually not even on my list to pick up. It was a pair I was like, I don't have the Concords though. So then what was it, EA or was it a Shot Drop? I was able to get it. And I was like, well, the marketing that Nike does, because of course they're a marketing company, they played on my psyche and I ended up just submitting, entering the draw, entering that situation. And I got that charge and here they are. They came home to Papa. But I'm glad because, I love my Jordan 11 breads. These are 2012 pair, but I did need the Concords, and these are dope. Patent leather cut is a little higher than these 2012 breads, but of course back then they were giving us a lower cut on the patent leather. And people that are 11 purists, they debate and talk all day, oh, I want the lower cut, the lower cut. To me, it doesn't really matter that much. I mean, overall, the shoe looks the same on your foot, regardless. But yeah, the DMP, or the Gratitude, sorry, it's not the DMP. The 2023 Gratitude 11 is dropping everywhere. Tomorrow, Saturday, we've already seen when we get Sneakers Pass today. JD Finish Line has done their drops and their exclusive access, status access, and the sneakers drop is tomorrow. They're going to be everywhere. There's a gajillion pairs of these every year for holiday 11s. If you don't get them on this first go round, I would say don't run and pay resale. I would say wait it out. I think these will be around for a little bit just because of the state of sneakers and where things are right now. Across the board, Jordans have been sitting of all models, except a super duper hype pair. I know this is a holiday pair, which holiday 11 typically does sell out eventually. But I think we'll see, some Jordan, Jordan Reserves. Maybe you see these go on sale. It'd be wild to walk into a store and see a Jordan 11 sitting on a shelf. But I've seen recently Cherry 11s from last December. A couple stores had those. I think it was a Champs that I saw some reports on. So yeah, see what you're going to do tomorrow. Let me know if these are on your hit list, like a must cop right now. You want them under the Christmas tree or on your feet on Christmas Day, whatever the case may be, or you get them for your kids. All right, I will see y'all on the next one, y'all. Peace.